Friends, today's the day when the concrete gets poured. So we got lots of action going on here. Started at 6 a.m. but it was too dark to film. So here we are laying the groundwork for when the concrete truck comes and we'll pour the foundation. So it's been prepared over the last, couple of weeks. And here we have it. All right, here comes the concrete truck. All right, there we go. All set to get started. Hey friends, it's happening. This is Guillermo. He's in charge of the project. He's going to explain what's going on.
Okay, so the two guys with orange, both of them are the guys with the pump.
Okay.
The rest, the other three, are finishers. They're the guys that smooth the whole concrete out. They're the ones that put the lines all on the concrete.
Okay.
That's pretty much
And
it.
how long does the process take?
For like an hour.
An hour?
Well, just pouring it, and then we gotta let it sit for like 2 hours, and then we'll do the last finish on it. So
Okay.
probably 3 hours, 4 hours max. That's all
Okay.
done.
Great. Going super fast. Really happening. This is so fun to watch, friends. They're working so beautifully together. Totally like synchronized. It's kind of like, I don't know. It's beautiful to watch. The pie is about to be completed. There you go, friends. The final piece of the pie. Lean forward. Now for the smooth finish that they'll do. All right, so the finishing work begins. This is the first part of it, smoothing it out. All right, so another process is continuous water over the concrete. Here's that in action.